Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can create sales funnel in System.io. First, open up your dashboard. Now go to the funnels option in the top bar. Now click on Create. A new window will pop up. Fill in your name, choose your funnel goal, and choose the currency. Now, in the funnels list, click on the funnel you just created. Now choose a template for your funnel. Now fill in the form that is displayed. Change names, add links, choose your offer type, add resources, price tag, and all the options that you can fill. Now go to automation rules. Now you can add automation rules if you want to, do the A/B testing if you want to, and can see the states of your funnel. Now go to the deadline settings. Fill in the form according to your need, and click on Save. Now, you can see your funnel has been created. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.